Means of transport today, page number 18. And let me tell you, you must have done in your KG or this in nursery classes the means of transport. Have you done it? ट्रांसपोर्ट इज एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाना, टू मूव अराउंड। एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आप कैसे जाते हैं? Some of you must be going with your parents out. You must be using the two-wheeler. Some of you must be using the four-wheeler. Some of you must be going in the auto rickshaw also. Right? Now, these are all known as land transport. Yes, Pranjali. Pranjali, GK book. Anya, GK book, page number 18. Please be quick. जो गाड़ियाँ रोड पे चलती हैं आप देखते हैं, ऑटो रिक्शा, बाइक्स, स्कूटर्स, कार्स, साइकिल्स, these are all known as land transport. These are all land transport, LANT, land transport. They move on lands. Then you must have seen boats. Now look at the pictures given over here. You have the boat, you have the ship. रुद्राक्ष, बोट कहाँ पे चलती है? लैंड पे या वाटर पे?
वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट।
वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट, बोट वाटर पे चलती है। ओके, सो शिप एंड बोट दे आर वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट. And can anyone name air transport? Raise your hand if you know air transport.
एरोप्लेन।
Arham, I said raise your hand. Yes, Ayat.
मैम एरोप्लेन एंड हेलीकॉप्टर।
Okay, good. Aeroplane and helicopter. Now you have the names given over here in the help box. In the help box over here, the spellings are given. I'm going to write them one by one on the board also. You can see from the board and copy, or you can, if you're not able to see the board clearly, you can see the words over there in the help box. Now before I begin writing on the board, just listen carefully. Look at the help box. Can you see the help box down, children? Give me a thumbs up. Can you see this help box given here? Put your finger here on the first word. Put your finger on the first word. The first word is B-O-A-T, boat. B-O-A-T, boat. Right? B-O-A-T, boat is a water transport. Now put over there number 8. Put over there number 8. Help box में जो words है B-O-A-T, boat, C-A-R, car. Can you see the board? Then bicycle. On boat you put number 8. Car, put over there number 4. And bicycle, put number 7. Put number 7 on bicycle. Listen carefully. Just now you put the numbers. Then later on you can fill in the blanks. Next word is auto rickshaw. Auto rickshaw is which number? Can anyone tell me? Which number is auto rickshaw on?
मैम 7। मैम 6।
6. Yes, Hardik. Auto rickshaw number 6. Very good. So put number 6 on auto rickshaw. Put number 6 auto rickshaw. Number 6 auto rickshaw. Next, Helicopter is which number? Can anyone raise hand first? Yes, Kritik. Kritik? Number one. Okay. Number one, helicopter. Very good. Helicopter is number one. Motorcycle. Hassan, what number is motorcycle? 5. Very good. Number 5 is motorcycle. Then ship. What number is ship? Omaj? You are Omaj. Omaj. 9 is ship. Okay. Shub, what number is train? Train is Shub, what number is train?
Aeroplane.
Train is number 3. Train is number 3. Train is number 3. Number 3 is train. And the last one, aeroplane. What number is aeroplane, Ane?
Second.
जब मैंने आपसे पूछा उस समय आपने आंसर नहीं करा, दूसरे बच्चे से पूछ रहे हैं तब आप आंसर कर रहे हैं. अने एरोप्लेन इज नंबर 2. ओके, एरोप्लेन इज नंबर 2. All right, have you all put the numbers? Give me a thumbs up. Have you all put the numbers? Umash is giving thumbs up. Manjeet, Hayat. Yes, Hayat.
मोटरसाइकिल किस नंबर पे थी?
Motorcycle is number 5. Okay, now turn the page. Turn the page, all of you. Quickly. Now we have prayer place. India is a land of many religions. Every religion has a special place for prayer. You all know that. India, very colorful country, and many religions are there, and every religion has a prayer place where we go and pray, जहाँ पर हम जाके prayer करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर कुछ pictures बनी हैं. Help words are there also. You have to write the names. You have to write the names by looking at the picture. Now the first picture. Look at the first picture, all of you. Now before you start giving me the answers, let's read the help. Shubh, please wait. Put your finger on the help box. Put your finger on the help box and read the words. Church. Read the words. Church. Temple. Temple. Please read the words, children. Mosque. M-O-S-Q-U. That word is pronounced as mosque. How is that word pronounced, Hassan? M-O-S-Q-U-E. उस वर्ड को हम कैसे बोलेंगे? Mosque. Say mosque. That's right. Now the first picture. The first picture is Shubh. What is the first picture?
Temple.
Temple. Right over there. T-E-M-P-L-E. All of you write. T-E-M-P-L-E. Number 1. T-E-M-P-L-E. Temple. number 2 picture. What is that? Ane? Number 2 picture. Can you
नाम
tell me?
पता नहीं.
Mosque. That is a mosque. Okay. Number 2 picture is a mosque. 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 Right over there. Mosque. Next picture. Next picture. Vinayak, yes.
Gate number is.
विनायक नंबर 3 पिक्चर. कैन यू टेल मी वो कौन सी जगह है प्रेयर करने की? सी फ्रॉम द हेल्प बॉक्स. अब हमारे पास हेल्प गुरुद्वारा. हेल्प बॉक्स में हमारे पास 2 वर्ड्स हैं, चर्च और गुरुद्वारा. सो दैट इज अ गुरुद्वारा. राइट द वर्ड ओवर देयर. नंबर 3 GURDWARA. And the last picture, only one word is left. One picture. Aradhya, what is that?
Ma'am.
The last
Church.
picture.
Ma'am, church.
Some children, when I ask them a question, they don't answer. When I ask another child, then they unmute and start answering. You mustn't do that. Prashasti, when I was talking to you about the prayer in the morning, उस समय आप बिल्कुल जवाब नहीं दे रही थी. And now children,
Ma'am,
you are
network problem.
unmuting and answering.
मैम कर रहे थे, नहीं हो रहा था. मम्मा ने सिम चेंज किया, फिर मुझे आया, फिर
All
हुआ.
right, the last picture as Prashasti said, and Hardik also unmuted and answered, that is a
Ma'am,
church. CHURCH. Write the correct spelling. CHURCH. Church. Okay? Now the next exercise says, here are the names of some people and their religions. Match their names to their place of worship. Now the names are given, their religions are given. You have to match them with their place of worship. Number 1 name is Javed. Javed is a Muslim boy. Now where will Javed go to pray? Where will Javed go to pray?
मैम,
Church, temple, Gurdwara, mosque.
मैम,
Mosque. Okay, in front of mosque put number 1. Put number 1 in front of mosque.
मैम गुरुद्वारे.
First you have Javed, then you have Amandeep, then you have Maria, and the last name is Gauri. Now on the other side you have A, B, C, D. You have a place of worship, church, then temple, Gurdwara, and then mosque. Draw 2 lines here in the center. Draw 2 lines in the center. Draw 2 lines in the center. Javed number 1 in front of D. Put number 1. Put number 1 like this in front of D. Look at the board, children. Next, Amandeep, you said Gurdwara. Amandeep, Gurdwara. See, put here number 2. Amna, the next word, Maria. Maria is a Christian girl. Where will she go to pray? Amna?
Your line.
Amna? I cannot see you, Amna. Sit properly. Yes. Now tell me the answer to number 3. Maria Christian. Where will she go? Church. Where will she go? She will go to church. So in front of church, put number 3. Hayat, the next one, Gauri.
Ma'am, Puri ka temple.
Gauri will go to the temple. Okay, very good. So put over here number 4. Put there number 4. Now, coming to the next page, it says our natural friends. Our natural friends. Now, you have already done a lesson where we spoke about natural things. Yes? Now, it says trees, plants and animals are friends that nature has given us. Yes? Trees, plants and animals are natural things. They have been given to us. We get many things from them. Now, can you guess who gives us what? Look at the examples. Now, all of you have to just draw lines and match. Okay, you have to draw lines and match. You will do this yourself. You will do this yourself. You know, honey कहाँ से मिलता है? Rudraksh, who gives us honey?
Honey bee.
Honey bee. Okay, very good. Ali, who gives eggs? See, look at number 2. Number 2. Look for number 2 on that page. Hen. Okay, very good. Draw a line from eggs to hen. From eggs, put your pencil on eggs and bring it down to number 2. Bring it down to number 2. Vinayak, have you done it? Manjeet, put your pencil on number 3. Put your pencil on number 3. Look at the picture. What is that? Look at number 3. Quickly tell me which animal is that?
Ma'am, sheep.
Again, Shub.
Ma'am, sheep.
Sheep. Okay, what does the sheep give us, Manjeet?
Ma'am, wool.
Wool. Very good. Look for the picture of the wool and draw a line. Match that. Pranjali, look for number 4. Pranjali, look for number 4. Put your pencil there. What is the word written over there? Now you are able to read. Please read that word. Pranjali. Number 4. P-L-A-N-T, plant. And plant gives us, Arav, what does plant give us?
Plants gives us medicines. And fruits. And plants gives us fruits.
Plants give us flowers, fruits and medicines. Plants give us flowers, fruits and medicines. So you will match flowers, fruits and medicines with number 4, plant.
Plants give us oxygen.
Flowers, fruits and medicines. Okay. So you will draw three lines over there. You will draw 3 lines from plant. Next, number 5 is tree. Tree. पेड़ से हमें क्या मिलता है? Tree. Plant give us flowers, fruits and medicines. Sure. Have you drawn the lines? Yes, Kridev. What does a tree give us? A big tree. What does a big tree give us?
Wood.
Wood. Very good. We make furniture out of that. So draw a line from number 5 till the chair where it is written wood. W-O-O-D. W-O-O-D, wood. Next, number 6, cow. What does a cow give us, Omash?
Milk.
Cow gives us milk. Very good. Draw a line. Draw a line there. Now see, there's some little information given over here. Some little information, I'm reading that. When you break an egg, what colors can you see inside? Now who's going to tell me this? Nipun? Nipun, can you hear me?
Ma'am.
Yes, when we break an egg. Have you seen an egg, Nipun?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके जब मम्मी एग को ब्रेक करती है तो उसमें अंदर कौन कौन से कलर्स आपको दिखते हैं?
Ma'am, white and yellow.
Very good, white and yellow. So the white part is called the egg white and the yellow part is called the egg yolk. Okay, please write over there, learn. Write over there, learn, all of you. Info bites, write over there, learn. You're going to learn up that information you're going to learn up. Put over there, learn. Now
Excuse me, ma'am.
turn the page. In my city. Now this, all these places you have done in the neighborhood lesson. So this page you will complete for homework. Page number 22, put HW and today's date. Page number 22, turn the page, 22, 23. 22, 23. 22 and 23, put over there HW and today's date. You're going to write the correct spellings over there. I'll send you the spellings picture. I'll send the picture to you with the correct spellings. You will complete this page for homework. And children, remember I had told you to complete your numbers and number names till 400. Have you all completed it? Have you all completed? I told you you have time till Sunday.
I'm doing.
From Monday, those children who have not completed, you'll have to do a lot of work then. We'll start 401 from Monday. Okay, now give me your attendance quickly. Anya Nigam, Arun Maurya, Adhiraj. Adhiraj, answer. You're there, child.
Ma'am, present, ma'am.
Ansh Francis, Anay Mishra, Aradhya Srivastav,
Present, ma'am.
Astha Tripathi, Ayat Fatima Rizvi.
Anya Nigam not present.
Anya Nigam is present. I've marked. Christopher.
Ma'am, Arav
Hardik.
is present.
Yes, Arav, I've marked you. Hardik.
Present, ma'am.
Hayat.
Present, ma'am.
Inaya. Ishanvi. Kriday.
Present, ma'am.
Rishita.
Present, ma'am.
Mahira, Meher, Manjeet,
Present, ma'am.
Arham, Mustafa, Hassan, Nipun, Omansh,
Present, ma'am.
Pranjali.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Attendance.
Yes, Arham, I have marked you. I could see there was network problem. Pranjali, Prashasti, Ronik,
Present, ma'am.
Priya,
Present, ma'am.
Rudraksh,
Present, ma'am.
Sakina, Sanvi,
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh,
Present, ma'am.
Shubh, Ali, Bali, Vaishnavi,
Purushottam.
Rihan, Visual, Visual,
Present, ma'am.
Vinayak,
Present, ma'am.
Amna,
Ma'am, my name is Purushottam. Present, ma'am. मैम
शुभ
आपने मेरी अटेंडेंस नहीं ली।
शुभ हम आपको एब्सेंट मार्क कर देंगे आज। आप बार बार माइक ऑन करके बार बार ऐसे ऐसे डिस्टर्ब कर रहे हैं। आई हैव मार्क्ड यू प्रेजेंट, ओके। आई हैव ऑलरेडी मार्क्ड यू प्रेजेंट, हमने आपका नेम कॉल आउट भी करा था। नो ऑल ऑफ यू स्टैंड, जॉइन योर हैंड्स चिल्ड्रन, स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, जॉइन योर हैंड्स, क्लोज योर आईज। ओमश, आई हैव मार्क्ड यू चाइल्ड। Yes, I could see there was some the same disturbance. I've marked you. Now all of you stand, join your hands. Let's say our prayers first. Stand straight, all of you. Join your hands, close your eyes. Oh God, thank you for helping us to acquire wisdom of your creation during this week. Thank you for allowing me to know who I am and what are my strengths and weaknesses, and helping me to advance one more step in my precious life. May the good Lord help me and guide me on my way back home and every day of my life. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. Good morning and thank you, children. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend. Enjoy your day.